We are pleased to show you the 2020 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front license plate bracket, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.